Hi there. Triggers suit to automate some workflows in Zendesk, but what if you need to include the element of time? Automations allow for creating conditions and setting up the time to launch the actions. So let's overview some examples. In the first case, we set the automation to notify our agents about unresolved tickets. So add the following conditions. Ticket. Status category is open. Ticket. Hours is in status category open is 48 hours. After, we have to add actions. To create a reminder, select Notifications. Email user assignee. Then add the email subject and description. You also can automatically close solved tickets, and the configuration is pretty straightforward. So add the following conditions. Ticket. Status category is solved. Ticket. Hours since status category open is 72 hours. And add the action. Tickets. Status category closed. If you use the email tracking integration to see whether your customers open your emails, you also can create automation based on the seen ticket field to solve unseen tickets automatically. To do so, add the following conditions. Ticket. Seen is unseen. Ticket. Status category is pending. Ticket. Hours since status category pending is 24 hours. Ticket. Tags contains at least one of the following unseen. You also can select to who these conditions will be applied. In our case, it could be for the support group. And finally, set the action to solve the unseen tickets. Tickets. Status category solved. If this tutorial is helpful, subscribe to our channel and visit our website. See you there.